Hello, the subject is marketing management. The topic is types of CRM. There are many types of CRM, that is customer relationship management, available to the firms to render customer relationship management service. And the first and primary one or the basic type of strategic CRM is strategic CRM. Let us see the meaning of strategic CRM. Strategic CRM is a type of CRM in which the business puts the customers first. It collects, segregates, and applies information about customers and market trends to come up with better value propositions for both the customer and the company. This CRM collects the data of the customers, segregates the customers' data thus collected, and uses data analytics and applies thus information collected about the customers, and it studies the market trends that is going on in the real world, and matching this they come up with better value propositions for the customer so that the customer feels elated with having this kind of a service concept from the seller. What is the aim of CRM then? The aim of strategic CRM is to concentrate and enhance the knowledge about customers and use this knowledge to improve and customize the interaction with customers to maintain a long-term relationship with them. The main aim of this strategic CRM is to get as much as knowledge possible about the customers and use that particular knowledge that has been gained through this surveys and interviews to improve and customize the interactions with individuals as much as possible with the customers so that the company can easily maintain and retain these customers to have long-term relationship with them so that these customers remain loyal for a longer term with the company as customers, as buyers. Then what has to be done to develop this kind of CRM strategies? If the company desires to have strategic CRM, what the company has to do? What are the process that has to be followed? What are the issues that the company has to deal in with? What the company has to do practically in the process of creation of CRM strategies? If that is the question for the department, this shows the way. This shows the way for determining and development of CRM strategies. What are those things that involve are the following steps. The first step is to amplify commitment. There are various departments in the organization, and all the organizations are to be working in unity and in uniform towards the goal of achievement. And strategic CRM involves almost all the departments of an organization. Example: finance, sales, manufacturing, distribution, marketing, etc. It is essential to get support and use their important feedback while determining strategies. For this, each and every department should be kept informed about all the developments and implementation of processes carried out or performed in the company. Everyone should also be emphasized about the positive approaches and end results of the strategies. The Amplification of commitment comes when everybody in the department agrees for one, and that is that they are ready to accept the change. They are ready to deliver better goods and service to their customers, and they are ready to interact with the customer in a new way. They are ready to interact with the customer in a technological way. They are ready to seek in the help from all the sources that is possible so that they can interact with the customers in a better way, in a way that customers want and in a way that customers need. So this being the first stage in the process of development and determination of CRM strategies, amplification of commitment becomes very important. That amplification of commitment and dedication should be not only from the marketing department, but it should be from all the departments of the company that is being run. Once amplification of the commitment is being done in the first stage, the immediate or the next stage of determining and development of CRM strategies is building valuable project team. Once you have made the entire employees of the company what is CRM is and what the strategies are being designed for, the next immediate step is to build a team that is going to take forward the project, that is going to make this project a success, that is going to make the project usage. After organizational commitment is secured, the next important stage in developing CRM strategies is building a determined and valuable project team. Each and every member of this team should be experienced and dedicated professionals, as these members will be the key decision makers in the whole process. They will be responsible to communicate all the related details and benefits of the CRM strategies to all the members of the organization. It is this team which is going to train the entire employees of the organization. So they should have a clear idea and cutthroat knowledge of this strategic CRM. These members should be from the groups of all that is being studied. They should be of representations from all the departments if possible. The team should be really from representations of all the departments of the company so that the company will come here as a company of CRM. This team will work from all the departments. This team will be representing from all the departments of the company so that CRM is from all the departments, not being CRM, being a team separate. This is required only for the success of the CRM process. The members should be from various fields and departments. These members should be from the following work groups to ensure all the aspects of strategies are addressed efficiently. This is the only reason the CRM requires members from these many groups. The groups are management, technical staff, sales and marketing, financial, and external experts. If members for the strategic CRM are going to be from this, then it would be better to develop CRM strategies in a more feasible manner. Let us see how these members from the following groups will help. First being management. Management professionals are responsible to provide motivation, leadership, and management at every strategic development step, especially when a change in business process or organizational structure is expected. It is always known that the employees do not accept change as soon it is being implemented by the company. For this particular purpose, to motivate the employees, to train them in leadership and to management processes, to bring them to a level of strategic development. In the process of developing strategies for CRM, these people start revolting. Employees do not accept change at first instance, so they have to be taught and trained what is the real worth of CRM strategies. Hence, the CRM strategies requires members. The CRM team requires members from management primarily. The second requirement is members from technical background. Why we need technical background people is CRM is going to use technology, CRM is going to use systems, and CRM is going to be a process of automation to some extent, to possible extent, and sometimes even it can touch the highest extent. Automation of CRM strategies are important and must involve experienced technical hands. These people should be experienced in technical hands so that they can handle the technology in a better way. They should not be having any kind of doubts in using those services of techniques and technology. Also, technical professionals provide their useful contribution in building and managing software applications and determining their compatibility with existing software features. The technical staff and their members will know what is available in the company. They know what are the resources that are available in the concern. They know what is feasible for upgradation, what is required for update, and what can be used as technology for the company's feasibility, and how better the softwares can be developed by the company or, if not possible, outsourced. What is the company's technical and technological strength and what is its weakness will be known at this stage by technical team, and hence technical members are required for designing CRM strategically. The next members should be from the group of sales and marketing. These are final users of the CRM system. These are the people who are going to use the CRM system to connect and to interact with the customers. Once the strategies are determined and implemented, the applied strategies are supplied and supposed to be successful once these users feel comfortable and satisfied by using all the CRM features. Being the end users, these people are also responsible to provide useful feedback on efficiency and effectiveness while the strategies are in the development phase. Before it is put into proper actions in the initial stages of the usage of CRM system, sales and marketing people are to give how better it is to use. Is it handy or is it too much technical for them? And if it is too much technical for them, how it is for the customers? What is the level of acceptance by the customers? And that feedback of the customers can be given by the sales and the marketing team members so that this will be taken into account to address what best can be done in the CRM strategic process of development. The next group of members should be from financial. The CRM strategies must have members from financial. The reason being CRM requires kind of investment which has to be made. It has to have a budget. It has to have the budget feasibility, and it has to know better what is the budget availability in the company for CRM establishment. The CRM strategies must be gone through or evaluated under financial aspects. The financial professionals of the team can provide crucial analysis on assessment of enhanced productivity, evaluation of operational and production cost, and final estimated cost of the project. They also help in assessing the investment cost per module or segment so that the product is delivered inside the budget. The financial team has to represent it in the development and determination of CRM strategies for this single reason, to know what is the budget availability in the company, and they should know what is the real cost involved in the development of this strategic CRM, and they should warn that the CRM has to be developed within a given budget, which is more significant for the CRM process and the company. The next member should be from this group, which is known as external experts. Why do these external experts are required by a company is for all set reason. They are known as experts, and external experts are having expertise of many company visits. They would have gone for different businesses, and they would have developed, and they would have helped develop in many CRM strategies for different types of companies and concerns, so that their advice is really valuable for the company. Many times, some external consultants and other CRM vendors are substantially helpful in strategy development. These are people who are generally hired or outsourced for second fruitful opinion, or if the organization is lacking with sufficient CRM experts. If there is CRM expert within the company, then there is no need for the company to go out. These professionals, if not available inside, they have to be outsourced, and they have vast experience in the same field and help analyze the organization's actual business needs, work with other professionals to review and approve complex business structures, and even help in formulating the team members according to the expertise they possess. So it is always advisable to have members from these many groups of management, technical, sales and marketing, financial and external experts to better develop or to better build a valuable project team immediately after amplifying commitment from the entire department of the company. Once these two stages are complete, the third stage in determining and development of CRM strategies involve requirement analysis. Requirement analysis is to be done for the purpose to know what has to be focused more, what is the business need, what the business requires actually, what is the real need of CRM for the company. Without knowing that, if the company starts to strategize, then the company would end up investing and losing a lot of money in this process. CRM strategies should always focus and concentrate on the actual business requirements. This process involves a series of surveys and questionnaires with top-level sales, marketing, and financial managers to gather the actual expectations regarding the strategies to be implemented and what results these strategies will throw in the final stage. This is a very crucial factor in the development of an effective CRM system because if the results are not matching the actual requirement or if they diverge from focus points, then that means it's not achieving the desired goals. Thus, the requirement analysis has to be done in a neat and tidy way through the usage of proper series of surveys and questionnaires, and thus collected data has to be analyzed in the best possible way so that they give right kind of indication of what has been the real requirement of CRM strategies in the company, and hence that can be developed so well to be more effective and efficient. Thus, this CRM system would help the company to attract, to collect, to apply information, and to have better preparation for the customer purpose. And this would help the company to gain more knowledge about the customers. Hence, these three steps, which is amplifying commitment, building valuable project team, and requirement analysis, has to be done by this company and the marketing department to have the best possible CRM strategies for the development of strategic CRM that would help in understanding and getting more knowledge about the customers and use that particular knowledge to improve and customize the interaction with individual customers in a beautiful and better possible way, which would result in retainment of that customers and maintain long-term relationship with them. Thus, strategic CRM. Thanks for listening.